If your iPhone is not vibrating for calls or notifications, don't panic. Let me show you how to fix it step by step. First, check your focus modes. Sometimes, do not disturb or a custom focus mode may block vibrations. Swipe down from the top right and turn off any active focus mode. Next, make sure silent mode is on or off as needed. Toggle the switch on the side of your iPhone and if it's orange, silent mode is on. If you expect vibration in silent mode, it should still work if your settings are right. Also, try changing the vibration pattern. For that, go into your settings app and scroll down, then tap on sounds and haptics. Then go into ringtone and tap on haptics. Then select a new vibration style. Sometimes the pattern might be set to none. And if none of that works, restart your iPhone. A quick reboot can fix temporary glitches. If you're still experiencing no vibration, it might be a hardware issue. If your phone has been dropped or exposed to moisture, the vibration motor might be damaged, and in that case, reach out to Apple support or visit an authorized service center. And that's all. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks.